Aloha everyone. Today we got a car with an oil leak problems. Let's get it. So the oil leak coming from the oil filter cap. We went to an aftermarket shop, got an oil change, and looks like the customer isn't happy because there's oil all down there and in front of the engine. So let's make this customer happy and fix the oil leak. Break this thing loose. Oh shit. This is a shitty oil filter. Take off the cap. As you guys can tell, oil leaks all the way from the top to the bottom. Came down the oil pan, onto the bell housing, all the way from the back side. So this right here is the BMW filter, circular O-ring for the oil filter cap, and for the inner O-ring. So this is the aftermarket one. It's trash. I've seen a lot of these cave in due to oil pressure. This O-ring right here is squared, which doesn't seal right, which causes it to leak. And this thing was a pain in the ass to get off the oil cap, because it's way too small and way too thin. That's why it ripped. Make sure you torque your drain plugs to 25 millimeters. So next thing we gotta do, since we finished the oil change, we gotta take it outside to the pressure washer and clean up the engine bay. Let's get it. Everything's all cleaned up. Let's put everything back together. Everything is all done on this car. No more oil leaks. Clean engine. So the car's all done. No more leaks. No more oil running down the engine. Everything's all good. Customer's gonna be really happy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Aloha. Have a good one, guys.